The first step in setting up your FastFund Online system is entering your company data. Only your company administrator has access to the administration menu to set up your company data. To set up your company data, click the gear icon on the top right of the FastFund window and select Company Setup. Enter your company name as you would like for it to appear on all reports, financial statements, client bills, donor receipts, and payroll tax filings. You can also enter a DBA name if needed. Throughout FastFund, all fields with a red asterisk are required fields. Enter your federal and state tax ID numbers. These numbers appear on your payroll tax filings in FastFund Payroll. Enter your company's primary contact name, email address, and position. The name entered in the contact name field is the default name to appear on your donor receipt templates in Fast Fundraising. Enter your phone number, website address, and fax number. Click on Primary Address to enter your company address. All addresses in FastFund have 3 address lines: city, state, zip code, and country. If needed, click on Shipping Address to enter your company's shipping address. After entering the data in Company Details, click on Save. After entering the data in the Company Edit area, click on Preferences. The Preferences area includes your accounting, dashboard, and accounts receivable preferences. From the First Fiscal Month dropdown, select your company's first fiscal month. For example, if your company reports on a calendar year basis, select January. If your fiscal year is July through June, select July. Enter your beginning balance date. The beginning balance is typically the last day of the previous fiscal year, prior to using FastFund. So, if you're starting to use FastFund on January 1st, 2023, and your first fiscal month is January, you would enter December 31st, 2022 as your beginning balance date. After entering your beginning balance date and saving your accounting preferences, the soft books closed date and permanent books closed date are automatically filled with the same date as the beginning balance date. The soft books closed and permanent books closed date fields cannot be edited in company administration and are controlled by the books closing function in Utilities. The posting range is a control that warns you if you're posting a transaction outside the number of months before or after the current date. For example, if today is August 14th, 2023, and you set the posting flag at 6 months, a warning will appear if you enter a transaction 6 months before or 6 months after August 14th, 2023. Since your data files are stored on Array's servers, you need to select the time zone where your company is located for proper date and timestamps. From the Currency Symbol dropdown, select the appropriate currency symbol. From the Date Format dropdown, select your preferred date format. From the Check Position dropdown, select whether your check stock has the check on the top, in the middle, or on the bottom of form. Checks can be ordered from our preferred provider, National Document Solutions, by clicking on Order Checks. Check the project tracking box if you're using project codes when posting financial transactions. FastFund Accounting's dashboard preferences allow you to choose the display of the revenue and expense pie charts by either funds or primary cost center totals. The display order for revenue and expenses for the pie charts can be set either alphabetically, by name, or by dollar value. Fast Fundraising's dashboard preferences allow you to display values either on the calendar year or fiscal year. The display order for the appeal and gift pie charts can be set either alphabetically by name or by dollar value. If you have the Accounts Receivable module, you can have more than one Accounts Receivable control accounts to track your receivables. Each receivable can be given a unique label to define the nature of the receivable. For example, if you bill clients for program services and grants, you can set the AR account label 1 to programs and the AR account label 2 to grants. In the default client bill message, enter a client billing message that can be inserted on your client billing template. After entering all the required data and preferences, click Save. Now that you have finished your company setup, the next step is your Chart of Accounts definition. You can review the Chart of Accounts definition video for instructions on the proper setup for your Chart of Accounts.